Students, we are having the question number 1. The amount is x squared plus 3x minus 1 over x minus 2 into the x squared plus 5. You can see that this is the proper fraction. The reason is that the degree in the numerator is 2 while the degree in the denominator is 3. Now, first of all, change if it is in as it is in the proper fraction. Now we are going to change its identity equation. Now for this we are going to write the this fraction above fraction as it is on the left hand side of this equality, while on the right hand side what will we do? We are going to put x minus 2 in the denominator. As you can see that there is 1 is the power, I mean this is the linear factor, so then one unknown a will come out on the numerator of this. Now plus take the next factor, which is x squared plus 5. You can clearly see that it is irreducible quadratic factor. As it is irreducible quadratic factor, so then x having the power 2, which means that two unknowns will come out there, b and c, in such a way that first one will take the variable, but such a variable having the one power less than the denominator. As you can see that the denominator having the power 2, so then the numerator having the power 1. This is your identity equation. Now multiply this this equation by the denominator of the left hand side, and we have done, I think, plenty of time now. Now multiply by this, and then the denominator of the left hand side will cancel out, only the numerator will left out, which is x squared plus 3x minus 1. Now x squared plus 3x minus 1. Students, it is quite clear now. X squared plus 3x minus 1 is equals to the a. X minus 2 will cancels by itself. X squared plus 5 will multiplied by a. Similarly, you can see that bx plus c over x squared plus 5, as x squared plus 5 is in the denominator, so then it will cancels out by the x squared plus 5. The factor remains there is x minus 2, so then x minus 2 will multiply bx plus c. A thing to remember here is that where many students just do it in a wrong way. They don't put the bracket whole of this factor, whole factor of the numerator, I mean the bx plus c. Now student, give this equation as an equation number 2. Now move forward. X squared plus 3x minus 1 will remain as it is. Now multiply them. A into the x squared will come out as ax squared plus 5a. Similarly, plus bx are bx squared plus minus 2bx plus cx plus minus 2c. Now collect the same variable coefficient on the right hand side, which you can see that the x squared plus 3x minus 1 will remain as it is. On the right hand side, a and b, these are the two factors, these are the two coefficients having the variable x squared. Similarly, collect the x coefficient variables, which are minus 2b plus c, and collect the constants, which are 5a minus 2c, and we give this equation as an equation number 3. We give the name of this equation as an equation number 3. Now students, we are going to find the value. First of all, we are going to find the value of the equation number of unknown a. From equation a, it is quite clear that x minus 2 is in the denominator, so then put x minus 2 is equals to the 0. Quite clearly x will becomes positive, 2 will become positive when it goes to the other side of the equality, so then x will equals to the 2, and we are going to put it in the equation number 2. So then in place of x, there will 2 will come in every place of x. After putting these values, we are gonna solve it. You can clearly see that the factor in which b and c are there, I mean the b2 plus c, when it multiplies by the 2 minus 2, 2 by cancels out by the minus 2, so then the 0 will come out there, and 2b plus c into the 0 will become the 0. Now on the left hand side, we are having the 4 plus 6, 10, 10 minus 1 is 9, 9 is equals to the 5 plus 4, 9, 9 multiplies by a. As 0 is plus, so then it will make no effect, so I didn't write it. Now students, you can clearly see that 9 is multiplying by the a. When it goes to the other side of the equality, it will come in the dividend in the divisor. 9 when divides 9, the answer will come out as 1, so then the answer of a is 1. Now there are no more linear factors in the equation 1. As you can see that x minus 2 is just, we have done it. X squared plus 5, it is not a linear, but it is a quadratic factor. So then solve it. To solve this, we are going to compare we are going to follow the procedure of the comparison. Now students, it is quite clear that we are there. Yeah, we are there. Now we have find the value of a. Now we want to find the value of b and c. For this we have taken, we are going to take the coefficients of x square, as we know the value of the a and b is unknown, so we are going to following the procedure of the equating the coefficients. Now it is quite clear that the coefficient of the x square on the right hand side is a plus b, so I gonna write a plus b. What is on the left hand side? There is nothing but x square, which means that here coefficient is 1, as 1 is multiplying by the x square, so then 1 just can come out here. In place of a, I wrote the value of a, which is 1, so b plus 1 is equals to the 1. When 1 goes to the other side of the equality, it will change its sign, it becomes a minus 1. B is equals to 1 minus 1, the answer just comes out as b is equals to the 0. Similarly, to find the value of the x, to find the value of the c, as we have find the value of a and b, we are having c as a coefficient of the x as well as the constant. Now constant having the quite values, although both are having the two number of terms, couple of terms, but you can see that the x coefficient minus 2b plus c is a bit easier than to solve the 5a minus 2c. So I gonna take the coefficient of the x, which are on the right hand side are minus 2b plus c, while on the left hand side the x coefficient is 3. So then by putting the value and solving them out, minus 2b plus c, in place of the b we're gonna write the value of the b, which is equals to the 0. Minus 2 into the 0 is equals to the 0. C plus 0 is equals to the c, and c is equals to the 3. Students, these are our a, b and c values. So then put these values in the equation number 1 in place of a, b and c, and in this way you may solve the question.